Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is serendipity. It is pronounced ser-en-dip-i-t, and it is spelt S-E-R-E-N-D-I-P-I-T-Y. Think seren, dip, and then itty. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Serendipity is a noun that means a fortunate accident or a pleasant surprise. It is often used to describe a happy coincidence or an unexpected discovery. For example, you could say, "It was pure serendipity that I found my lost keys in the library." Or, "Through a stroke of serendipity, they stumbled upon a hidden waterfall during the hike." The word serendipity comes from the Persian fairy tale The Three Princes of Serendip, whose heroes are always making discoveries by accident or sagacity. In the film Serendipity, two strangers meet by chance and feel an instant connection. They decide to leave their future up to fate, believing that if they are meant to be together, serendipity will bring them back to each other. Synonyms for serendipity include chance, fluke, or fortune. Antonyms for serendipity include misfortune or bad luck. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, serendipity. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus exam daily vocab show.